Okay, and welcome back. This is the page 2 of spheres, talking about volume. And if you'll notice, up on the top, we've got a formula for the volume. Once again, is 4/3 pi r cubed. And once again, without using calculus that you don't have right now to integrate, there's not a great way to prove the volume of the sphere quickly and easily that I can do here for you. So I'm just going to tell you once again to memorize this formula, 4/3 pi r cubed, or to plan on using it on the formula chart. When we get to Algebra 2 or Calculus, there'll be a chance to do series and integrations and derivatives that we can see how to get to this formula. But right now, I just want to be able to use this formula. So the volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. And in this case, they gave us 21.6 is the diameter of the great circle of this sphere. So I want to find what the radius is instead of the diameter. So the radius is going to be half this 21.6. So 21.6 divided by 2 is going to be equal to, well, 20 divided by 2 is 10, and 1.6 divided by 2 is 0.8. So I believe this is 10.8 centimeters. So I'm going to plug this in, and I'm going to get that V equals 4/3 pi times 10.8 centimeters cubed.
Eric, if you're still in the building, we think we have your radio in the front office. Eric, if you're still in the building, come to the front office.
You didn't know you were going to get part of so many calls today. So 4/3 times, and I'm just going to wait to put in the pi, 10.8 cubed equals, whoa, I did a syntax error. Let's do this. 10.8 cubed times 4 divided by 3, 1679.616 pi. So volume equals 1679.616 pi, and that was centimeters times centimeters times centimeters, so centimeters cubed. All right, and it looks like that's going to take care of the back. They're all pretty much the same. Just a real quick refresher, V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Here, the r is 6 miles, so plug that in. V equals 4/3 pi times 6 miles cubed. V equals 4/3 pi times, let's see, 6 times 6 times 6 is 126. 216. What am I thinking? Those numbers backwards. So 216 miles cubed. And so multiply that by 4 and divide by 3. Divide by 3. 72 times 4. 288 pi cubic miles. Boy, that's a massive sphere. It's got to be something like the moon. I don't know. No, it's probably bigger. The moon's probably bigger than that. But 288 pi cubic miles. And that's the end for this. You have plenty other spheres here to do. You should be able to get this done lickety-split.